You have to stop the vehicle fully, only then you refuel it, correct? So similarly, when you want to go inward, when you have to fill your tanks, your car, when you have to get gas, what do? You go to the gas station and you stop the car, right? You have to stop the vehicle fully, only then you refuel it, correct? Similarly, when you want to recharge yourself, refuel yourself, what you need to do is completely stop everything. And you can't stop your mind if you see imperfections. If you see this is not okay, that is not okay, this is not okay, that person is not okay, and everything is not okay, then the natural impotence in you is to do something about it, correct? This is inbuilt in you. So keeping this in mind that things are not okay, I tell you, you cannot meditate. You cannot go into samadhi. Unless you meditate, nothing can be okay. So you run out of gas. Unless you stop the car fully, you can't fill it. And if you don't fill it, you can't run it also. So when you want to go inward, God is taking care of everything. Everything is okay. The way it is okay. Then the tendency or impotence for you to be a doer or act something comes. That means your car is coming to a full stop. When it stops from running, then you can refuel it. So similarly, your wanting to do something is connected with to fix something. Now you say there is nothing to fix. Everything is fixed already. Then your mind retrieves from activity to silence. Once it is in silence, then it's charged, energized, then the right thought comes. When you come out, then you act. In the world of duality, there is no perfection, or there is no end to perfection. But in the field of inner self, there is no chance for imperfection. It's always perfect. The self is always perfect. The non-self is always imperfect. And one who knows this, believes this, and have firm faith in this, is free. It's the dichotomy. But it's so beautiful. That's the point of celebration in life. So they depicted so beautiful, the ancient people, Shiva and Shakti. Shiva, the non-doer, non-acting, and Shakti, diversity. Shakti has many diverse forms. So the Brahman, the infinite consciousness, has got all different Shaktis, all different powers. In this, sadness is also a power. People who are sad, the sadness is their power. People who are angry, anger is their power. People who are blissful, bliss is their power. Joy is their power. So that all the different emotions, all different situations, whether creative or destructive, are all just powers. And powers are always in conflict. Isn't it? So it's the intelligence that beckons you to see this. The moving, the non-moving, the permanent and the temporary, the truth and the unreal, the real and the unreal. So to refuel the car, you have to halt it fully. And then once it's full, then you start